Good evening, guys. Don't think it is a time bomb. It's a battery. Uh, 2 years earlier, when uh, I swapped some, these are the 12 volt packs, and I swapped these batteries from these cells. These are the battery packs, 12-volt battery packs. So here you can see we have six batteries, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So not six, I have also another battery, same type of thing. So I total purchased seven batteries from Amazon. They advertise these are lithium ferrophosphate or lithium iron phosphate, lithium ferrophosphate batteries, and it's going to be very long, blah blah, and all those things. It's EV grade, blah blah. Anyhow, so I purchased it from Amazon initially, and later I found that these batteries are not that much good. And then I connected the supplier who provided the battery, but he denied to replace or anything, and also he delisted from Amazon. So nothing I can do it. So it's happened. So these batteries are still light with me. These batteries are 30, these are the 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, 12 volt, and each 12 volt batteries is basically 30 amp capacity. But it cannot deliver very high amp discharge. I am telling you, it can deliver if it is 30 amp battery, so I cannot discharge by 1C. Max to max I can get 0.2C or 0.3C, not more than that. But otherwise the battery voltage is dramatically decreased, and inverter will shut off, something like that. So anyhow, as you know and seen in my previous video, that I also having a 24 volt inverter, inverter. So I am thinking, why we cannot use these batteries. So I have connected these batteries in a parallel, in a series, sorry, so that it can give me 24 volt. So these are the, so upper three batteries are in parallel, and then I make it in a series. So lower three are parallel, and sorry that I don't have very much things with me. So it can for you it may be little bit junky, but yes, for me it is working. So these are the balance leads. So from each battery I have cut through it and take out from from each battery I got 5 wires. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 battery, 5 balance lead came. So accordingly I check the voltage, and I had then again make the parallel with the other batteries, and then I use these connectors to, I connected these balance leads to one side, and other side I have connected for BMS. Also I had a, don't agree with me, active cell balancer. I know you people will say don't go to it, it will destroy battery, but I'll say yes, you cannot use it all times. Yes, so many people's also having so many videos, but believe me, in my setup I'm this active balancer already always it was connected with my these cells, and it's working okay. Means yeah, as per theory and also some practicals also, and it should not be connected always with the lithium phosphate cells, because if it try to balance the cells in lower voltage, so it will may debalance the cells internally. That's right, that I can get it, but sometimes it is necessary, because if you want to take the last juice off from your battery, yeah, that time it's really help. But yes, in my future, what I have decided, so I will switch, so that whenever needed only I will activate the balancer, and rest of the time I will switch it off. Okay. And this battery I had built, to build mill, just rearrange the cells and all those things I had done 2 to 3 days earlier, and then I kept in active balancer connected way. Let's have a check, what are the voltage now each cells having. So I hope you can I hope my meter is visible. Okay, so my wife is calling. Okay, I will go there. So first let's start with the first cell. Okay, if I can I make it? Yeah, you can make it. So first cell, if I try to check the voltage, 3.33. Second cell, 3.33. Okay, third cell, give me a second. Yeah, it's not connecting. Sorry guys. Yeah, 3.33. For me it's little bit hectic. Anyhow, it will take just 2 to 3 minutes. So 3.33, 3.32, 3.32, 3.32, 3.32. Okay, so as you can see, my cells were perfectly balanced, although previously it was also not that much unbalanced, so that I need to, but anyhow I just keep it connected for the time being, so that if there is some unbalancing thing occurred, so it will do its job. So now I want to connect this BMS. So this is you can see JBD BMS, Jiabayada 100 amp BMS 8S lithium phosphate. Okay, so I will hang it up. Now I am thinking, how should I hang? Like this way will be better, or I will keep it on top, means I will keep it like this. So I'm just thinking that which way it will be better, so that I will go with that way only. Anyhow, let's see what we can do. So this BMS, I think side will be better, no? What do you think, guys? And if I keep it like this, and I can keep I can take this here like this way, it will come, or up. Anyhow, we can let me decide, so that which position is good for it, or means how I can keep it in a good way, so that it will again, not only that I need to connect the lugs to this, and let's see, I will figure it out or connect the lugs to it, and then it's having the temperature sensor. Also, it's a smart BMS, so it's also having a Bluetooth connector. Okay, so it will be connected with it, so that easily we can set the settings with it. So after attach this thing, I will let you know that what I have done. Okay guys, bye for now. Subscribe my channel and keep charge everyone. Be safe. Bye bye.